Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Banange jemuli oba temuliyo. Good afternoon. Kakati. Greeting to everyone wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Thank God for everything. Thank God for our lives, and we thank God for His grace that He has still given us. Now, my being live here is about this girl. As she said that she went under Rama Africano. Kakati nze mva kwogera ne Barama kuba I know the company. It's the company I used. Kakati ono omuwala yagenda mu Jordan. Rama eleta abaana Saudi Arabia. Kati mba kwogera ne Barama Africano the office. They're asking if at all we can get her number because they are willing to help her. They have not the way people are saying they have abandoned her, they have what? Jordan branch, it's in Rama. It's just under the same company, but they told me that it's not Rama. It's not really Rama. So we're asking whoever has her number, they need it. The office need her number. As in Rama Africano need to help her, but they're trying to get her, but they can't find her. So if you know anything about her, if you know her contact, please kindly inbox me, because we would love to help our fellow sister when she's still alive. And I think that will be of great joy. Yes, because they told me they don't have a contact, because the office was just like under them, but they don't deal with anyone to do with to take people to Jordan. It's not under Rama. So though many people knew that it's Rama, me myself I knew that it's Rama also take people to Jordan, but Rama is willing to help her, but we're looking for her contact, how we can reach her. So if you know her and you have her contact, kindly please send it to us. We need it today. God bless you. I'm brief.